In this example, you'll learn how to create a dimension style to comply with international standards. The steps introduced in this class can be applied to any dimension standard. So let's learn about this. After opening the Annotate tab, click the Dimension Style tool. Then create a new style by clicking New on the displayed dialog box. Define the name ABNT or Other Standard and click Continue to continue the process. Now begin defining the settings for the new style. Begin specifying the settings for the leaders and dimension lines. To do this, let's change some options on the Lines tab in the new Dimension Style dialog box. The baseline spacing option lets you change the spacing of one dimension line to a part or to another dimension line, so in this case input 7 as the value. This way the dimension line will be spaced 7 units away or 7 millimeters from the part or another dimension line. The Extend Beyond Dim option defines the leader line distance to extend beyond the dimension line, so let's input the value as 3. And finally, type the value as 1 for offset from origin. This last option defines a space from the beginning of the leader to the baseline. Mostly the dimensioning style settings are based on international standards. And now you can see the dimensions are inserted based on your settings. All the spaces, leader line distances and leaders are based on your international standards. If you need to insert a dimension based on another unit of measurement, you can insert the unit of measurement setting manually. This is done when you insert a dimension. After defining the position in the drawing, type the letter M to enable the text exiting mode. Place the cursor at the end of the dimension line and insert the desired measurement unit. And this concludes the class. So in this example, you have studied how to define settings for a dimension style based on an international standard. You also learned a tip on how to insert a dimension based on a unit of measurement different from the one used in the drawing.